How to fix your filters and cameras not working on Instagram from your mobile application. Okay, in this tutorial I will tell you how to fix your filters and cameras not working on Instagram. I will do this on my Android, but you can always do so on your iOS device as well. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, here we go. First off, go to the Play Store or the App Store on the iOS, and from there search for Instagram. Choose from the drop down option, and from there if you see like an update, you can click update. Otherwise, just like in my case, the application is already up to date, so if the issue still persists, then it's not related to the Instagram version. You can always to check like an uninstall. Click the uninstall button on the right, on the left, and from there just choose uninstall. It's uninstalling, and then click install again, so it will start from clean slate. Try to open and see if the issue still persists. Now if the issue still persists, go to your settings on your mobile. On iOS it will be settings also, but on Android it could be many things. But from settings you can choose apps. Maybe on your other Android phone, other offenders be found in storage or in application menu. Just choose whichever menus that have Instagram application, and from there go to the storage menu, and then you can clear the data or clear the cache and see if that fixes your issue. If it still doesn't work, then maybe the issue lies with your storage or your memory storage. So in order for it to be fixed, all you need to do is to clean up your phone a little bit. Maybe your storage is full. The effects and cameras on Instagram unfortunately needed a lot of space and a lot of RAMs. So hopefully the issues will be fixed after you follow this tutorial. And as always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. Cheers, take care, and goodbye YouTube.